What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys enjoy the content coming your way. Took Mike out fishing this morning. I caught a good amount of fish. Fishing slowed down a little bit. Still trying to get Mike on the fish. Finally got him on the fish. Stay tuned to the end of the video. You get to see what tactic we used and how we caught it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay safe. Have a good one.
Ooh. You see that?
Yep, just keep working it. Nice and slow. Stop it. And then work it again. What are you using? The same thing? That little jitterbug?
Yep. Oh, yes. Got the net.
No, you're good. You're good.
Good?
No net.
All right. Yes, dude.
It's a good smallie.
Nice. That's a nice looking one, dude.
Yeah, it is a good smallie. Jesus.
Sure you don't? No, you good?
Oh, that's all right. Oh! Yeah, I guess I could have used the net, huh?
It's all right.
There you go. Oh, he's chasing it. Ooh, that's it.
You need the net, you good.
Oh, and I need the net on this one. Look at him go.
Dude, that's a good fight.
Just get right in front of me. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. In there? Oh, yeah, buddy. Ooh, the hook came out too. Ooh. Good smallie. Thank you, sir.
You got it, brother.
Go catch him. Go get him.
Dude, that was awesome.
Go get him. That's a good smallmouth right there.
That's a good one, brother.
Yeah, buddy. That's probably almost 2, I would say. I'm not going to weigh him, but
that's a nice one.
It's a good fish. Awesome. Good way to start the morning. Lost a good one like this. Caught another one. Awesome.
You had him? You looked on?
That's a largemouth.
With the net, dude? Netter?
I don't know. We'll see. I'm not exactly sure. He's kind of swimming right at me.
It's making it easier for you.
Oh, it's a good bass.
All right.
Yeah, I can do that. It's a Larry.
It's like a big old weed fish.
Yeah. Thanks, dude. You the man. There we go.
What's up?
I said, there we go. All set.
Free fish?
Nice little Larry this morning. Fat. He's eating. That's for sure. Nice. Oh my God, he hit it when it was in the water. It didn't even reel it yet.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's all right, it's small, it's small.
Is it a small one?
Yeah, it's small.
Right. I was like, holy shit. That's a...
He's got some strength to him though. Boy, let me tell you. He's getting all wrapped up in weeds and stuff.
I was just saying, I bet the weeds are making some extra drag for you.
Yep.
There's a couple beds right here.
Jesus. Not getting better, they're getting smaller.
Hook on? You hook
Oh,
on?
that's a big, I need the net. That's a big fish. Good fish. He's not as big as I thought, but he's still good.
That's good enough.
Thank you, sir.
Yepper. Nicely done, sir. Nicely done.
There we go. First fish in about a half hour, 20 minutes, half hour, 45 minutes, but nice. Switch the spots. Nice hit. Nice, healthy Larry. Put it back.
That's a good one. Ooh.
Yes. Just kissed that tree.
Money.
Just kissed it. Is that a fish? Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, that's a fish.
Dude, you went right under and got him. You need the net? Oh. Did it come off?
There's a big baseball right below us. He inhaled it. It goes. All right. First fish for a while. Smallie. Right under a tree.
Can you clear it? Oh, you got one, dude. You got one.
I was like, I can't think of two teams I care less about than those two. I don't care anything about that. I don't want to learn anything about.
You got an idle
the
back
Raiders
for you?
would have been interesting, even though they just did the Raiders, and that was pretty good because the Antonio Brown stuff.
I wanted New Orleans, but you can't do that. I mean, that's the thing.
Well,
I
they're
don't
a
think
good team.
I know
Yeah,
that's the thing. I mean, New Orleans for a variety
back,
of
or you
reasons,
good?
especially with the whole Drew Brees mess earlier, would have been
You
great.
gotta be kidding me. Get the net ready.
Dude, I'm yep.
There's so many logistical.
Dude, I saw that pole
nightmares, so many hoops you
swap
have to
backwards.
go
I was like,
through because
oh,
there's so many rules to begin with. You know, what teams can go, what teams can't go, what teams you
Oh my God, it's a big
You're
small.
stuck with this. Teams you
Oh my
can't
God,
go.
it's a big
You're
small.
stuck with
That's a
this,
nice one. That's
which
a
is
nice
vanilla.
one, dude.
Well, I mean,
I have no interest in this. at all.
there's two schools of people when it comes to the Patriots right now
Oh
who
my
are fans
God.
of the team. They either want the team to do well, which is kind of by default, or there's the tank for Trevor crew.
That
People
was
who
so
want it to be
cool.
so bad that they'll end up getting some sort of draft pick. It seems to me that's near impossible. There's just too many bad teams. But the one benefit that would be of having the Patriots be awful, like if they didn't make the playoffs, doesn't that mean they would be in the pool for having to be on Hard Knocks?
I think you have to be bad for multiple years.
I don't think that's the case.
You know what? I'll
that net
freely
ready.
admit I don't know. I don't remember all the rules.
I think it's that
big Larry.
if you
my
made the
God.
playoffs, you don't have to be on Hard Knocks. I also think if you have a first-year coach, then you don't have to be on Hard Knocks. And then there was one other requirement. But I think the Patriots think
Dude, look at that.
yeah.
Look at that.
If they don't make the playoffs and they're one of the worst teams in the league, I think
Ooh,
that
that's a
they're
good Larry. Not as
they could be
big
forced
as
to
I
be on
thought
Hard
it
Knocks.
was.
Dude,
I mean,
still.
Can you imagine?
That's still
How
nice.
amazing that would be.
That's
I mean,
awesome.
just give me a whole episode on Ernie Adams.
Okay.
I thought it was a 5. That ain't a 5, but
that would
Yeah.
happen.
Still a good fish.
But
Not a
the one
bad
thing about
fish.
tonight that
That's
I'm
cool.
really looking forward to. I'm actually looking forward to because they
Trolling
released a
for
little bit of a
largemouth.
trailer, obviously, with the first couple of days of it is
Fucking
an inside
awesome.
look at.
JD Martinez went deep. If they lose again, Brian Johnson, he's out. He asked for his release. Martin Perez goes for his third win of the year. Major League Baseball has discussed a playoff bump. And the Patriots made a flurry of signings yesterday, including running back Lamar Miller. Headlines are brought to you by the Carpet Workroom. When the sports needed new flooring, we turned to the experts at the Carpet Workroom.
I was.
that didn't take long, did it?
No.
Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
If you suddenly find yourself at home, remember to listen to the Sports Hub on your smart speaker. We'll keep you informed and entertained. Tell your smart speaker to play 98.5, the Sports Hub. Boston sports fans.
Damn.
I don't know what's going on with it, but it's just sitting there.
98.5 the Sports Hub.
Oh, yeah, buddy.
Okay, so
Yes,
since we've been
sir.
doing Brookline 911, Marblehead 911,
Yes,
it's weird.
sir.
It's kind of, and I'm glad this is happening. But
Oh,
there
that's
have
a good
been people who
fish.
listen to the show who have access to different
That looks
911
like a
calls
trout.
from their towns, and some of them will just send them to me, which I think is awesome. And it's fascinating to listen to. We play some of them we don't. But I received a call, and this is not from Massachusetts. This is from, I think, Minnesota. But it's somebody who had this call, and they sent it to me, and they said, this isn't quite Brookline 911, but I listened to this yesterday. I've never heard anything like this. And this is something that, I mean, maybe only happens in movies. I'm not sure. And I don't know. I'm just going to let this play, Joe and John, and let you guys hear it for yourself.
Keep it low, keep it low.
And I just want to get your thoughts on it after. This is a real 911 call that I received from a listener. I think it's from Minnesota,
Wherever he wants to go.
but I may be wrong. I'll have to double check. But take a listen.
Jerry
Nice.
Good job. We got you a fish, buddy.
Dude.
Yes, sir.
Nice little smallie. Nice little smallie.
A story recently, maybe
Got Mike Skunk out of the boat.
Yes,
a
indeed.
story recently that some woman didn't know she was pregnant.
Nice.
That's crazy.
Good job, dude.
Thanks, brother.
Yes, sir.
Got that
it
overweight.
done.